Ki. I want to say 2-3 minutes about this Sankirtan. So the word San means Bahubir Militva Kirtan is called Sankirtan. In English also you say SUM, isn't it? Isn't it? So San means total. So similarly Sankirtan means when devotees come together and chant and dance, it is called Sankirtan. Why is this performed? I want to say a few words about it. 500 years ago, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who appeared in this world, he taught that in all the Vedic literature, the holy names, like we were all singing now, Hare Krishna mantra, it is glorified as a supreme purifier. Anyone who utters this name, anyone who hears the name, anyone who participates in this, their heart gets purified. Just like if there is a virus in a computer, computer functions very erratically. Similarly, if there is a virus of lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, illusion in our mind functions erratically also like a mad elephant. So how can a mad elephant be made into a good elephant? So you have to remove the viruses in our mind. So the chanting of the holy name, it is said, Yannam Shruti Matrena Uman Bhavati Nirmalaha, it is said. By Nama Shruti, the Chitta becomes Nirmal, or purified. There are many verses on this, hundreds of verses. One verse says, like in a jungle, if a lion roars, then all the small animals will flee in fear. Like that, when you roar the holy name, like you all are roaring just now, then all the sinful reactions will flee far away, he said. Avachena piyannam nikittate sarvavadagaihi tatasadyo vimuccheta simha krashtain bhagaiva, he said. Simha krashtain means like the roaring of a lion. So, when you may be singing the holy name even for entertainment, still the Vedas say that even if somebody likes the music, somebody likes the tala, somebody likes the raga, and you chant the holy name, still you get some benefit. What to speak of those who understand this is Lord's name? In this world also, how many of you experience, you take somebody's name and the work gets done? How many of you experience? Some big fellow's name, correct now? Like once I went to a housing colony in India, it was a Crorepati colony. They were not letting me in. They saw my monsters, they thought I'm going to go and collect some donation or something. They were not allowing. So I didn't have his phone number. So I took my diary and I took my diary and opened my diary and showed that watchman. See, this is the name of the person. This is the house number. That's all I had. As soon as the watchman saw that, immediately allowed me to go. So I was just thinking, even in this world, you show somebody's name, the door of the housing colony opened. Similarly, you take Lord's name, the door of Vaikuntha will open for you. I thought the Shastras say that. Because Lord is such a great personality that one Sandipani Muni's son was destined to go to hell. He was in hell. But Lord Krishna went there and told the Yamaraj that you write his sinful account in my account and you relieve him and give him back to me. So immediately he was handed over back to Krishna. Krishna brought him back to his guru, Sandipani Muni. He says, Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Krishyami. Do not fear, I can relieve you. So, the chanting of the holy name not only relieves you from sin, it awakens love of God, it purifies our sinful propensities also. Ultimately, it takes us back to the spiritual abode. Ultimately, a day will come when those who chant the holy name will attain the Vaikuntha Loka and live in the lotus feet of the Lord forever, happily entering Seva. So, not only we chant the holy name, in every other place you will see like Sri Vaishnavas, they chant the holy name also. In Kumar Sampradaya, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, they also chant. Not only in Sanatana Dharma, you can also see Christians chant Hail Mary. You see our Jains chant Navakar Mantra. Buddhists chant Namo Avida Butsu, they also chant. Muslims chant Namaz also. So chanting the mantra is not pertaining to any one particular dharma. Every dharma has it. And this mantra what we are chanting, anybody knows who said this mantra to whom? Anybody knows? Yeah? This was spoken by Brahma to Narada. At the beginning of Kali Yuga, Narada asked Brahmaji that Kali Yuga is coming in now, so how do the souls in this age will be saved? Because age is very degraded age, fourth age, Satya, Treta, Dwapara, Kali. So Brahma told it, this is the mantra they will chant in Kali Yuga. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Iti Shodashakam Nam Nam Kalikal Mashanashanam, Nato Parataruya Paya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyati. In all the Vedas, there is no other mantra more effective than this mantra, he said. This was spelled out by Brahma himself. He told Narada that chant this and jivas can perfect their life and they will attain ultimate success. So not only in ISKCON we are chanting this. You will find there is another organization in South India called the Global Organization for Divinity, God they call it. There is Muralidhar Swamigal, there is Krishna Premi Swamigal in South India. There are also other organizations like Muktananda. Many other organizations chant the same mantra because it's not our own monopoly. This mantra is actually for everybody born in which age? Kali Yuga. So you chant this, we can do japam like we do in the japa beads we do. That is called japam. This is called kirtanam. You chant and you dance. Now why do we dance? In the marriage party you will see sometimes the bridegroom is put on the top of a horse with a turban and everybody dances. You have seen family members dance? Even very rich people do that in India. They want to tell the world how happy we are that our son is getting married now, today. So dancing is an expression of joy. So people may dance for some bridegroom or people may dance in a college, in some party. Party also people dance, is it not true? Some function or something. But our dancing, we have a purpose. We are dancing for the pleasure of Sri Sri Radha and Krishna, whose names we are uttering when we are chanting Hare Krishna. So the word Hare Krishna, Prabhupada said, "Oh Lord, purify my heart, accept me, uplift me." So it's a prayerful song. And Lord Chaitanya himself arranged many dancing groups to dance in circles like this in front of the Rath cart of Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. He made 7 circles, 4 in the front, 2 in the side, 1 behind. So in an organized way he arranged. So we also dance in an organized way. So in the beginning, I will request all of you to come forward, backward, and when you change the tune, you dance in a circle, okay? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna. Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Harinam Sankirtan ki